love with being a creative when I was a kid.
What it's all about for me is going back to the essentials.
Fell in love with just capturing in a way maybe people have never seen before.
The ASUS and GoPro partnership just makes sense.
I'm definitely labeled as like the GoPro guy, that's for sure.
I wanted to remove friction out of my process. And that's where the ASUS computer doesn't just have the processing power.
It feels like they're designing tech for creators.
With StoryCube's AI categorization, you can find exactly the shot you're looking for by filtering your footage by time, location on the map, or even the person you're looking for.
You know, you have all these pieces and they're all kind of jumbled around, and slowly as you start putting them together, you just see the bigger picture and what you had in mind. You don't have to worry about the editing workflow at all. I can just focus on getting the shot.
The most important thing is that whatever you create is beautiful and you're happy with the way it looks. And that's where having a screen that displays clear and crisp and bright way is really important.
Since I'm not a techie person, I just need to know the basics. I need to know that when it exports in 4K, it's gonna be fast and efficient. And I need to know that these new features are gonna help me advance my already existing workflow.
Having StoryCube on the P16 has just been an absolute game changer. The AI and StoryCube just does it all for me. An easy, seamless workflow for anybody just gets them excited to go out and create.
There's not a day that I wake up not feeling inspired to make something.
To me, the more I can embrace my weirdness and lean into that, just share that, I think that's what makes my story unique. Live your life as if you were the main character in your own movie.